my people, my good people. Guess what we have today? We have a little bit of a unboxing, not the grid and lock bed organizer, because this thing is sweet. We're gonna do something with this very soon with the TRD Pro. Subscribe to Track Slayers for that if this video is posted on my personal channel. I post a lot of TRD Pro videos on Track Slayers. Hi. But back to the Hydroshot, the WORX Hydroshot. We're gonna do a little unboxing of that. First, I need to get a knife. And no, I'm not gonna kill my ducks with it. Just gonna pop this open, grab, this will work. That'll do. This guy, I've been liking this thing. Nice little box cutter, basically, $20 nonsense. We're gonna do a little sample of this, because what I need to do is bring this down to the penthouse, the suite, the HQ down in Atlantic City that we have. And I wanna pressure wash my walls. They're like, it's, you know, we have like those cathedral, like floor to ceiling glass walls. I just want to get all up in there without having to get a ladder, scaffolding, or whatever up there. This was actually a Christmas present, I believe, but let's get into the unboxing. I need to charge this battery if I'm going to use it. I'm going to test it out today to see how strong it is, if it's even worth it. I believe this might be a battery or a hose or something. This is a hose. It comes with, what the fuck is that? Why does it come with a tennis ball in there? Very interesting. We have that. Little manual. Of course, real men don't use that. Just kidding. Gun. And then something to hook up to some sort of, oh wow, this would hook up to like a water bucket. Maybe a pump of some sort. You probably wouldn't need a pump since it's battery powered. We'll see. So you have the stuff. This is gonna, you know, this is an underrated thing, but this was not sent to me and this is not paid for. So this is just a full realistic review I'm gonna give you. Right now it's just gonna be the unboxing. When I dig into this and show you guys what this is like. Oh, well, all right, I'm an idiot. Maybe you shouldn't take my advice. You got the safety there. You got to hold that in if you want to pull that trigger. This is a pretty cheap feeling gun. The wand also feels cheap, but we're not going for super expensive stuff here. That's got some grease in it. That's going to go in there. Let's see if we can lock that in. Let's see if I can get it in here for you. Probably just clicks in, I would imagine, unless I have it on the wrong side. Yep, clicks in and turns, and we're in. Get it off, you just gotta do that. Wow, that is some, yep, greasy goo. Hopefully you saw that, but typical wand. Doesn't feel super great, but is what it is. I think it'll get the job done if you need something kind of cheap, and if you can't get like a pressure washer or a hose somewhere up there. This would have to be the battery, the charging unit. This is a 20-volt battery powered. Pop this open with the knife. Don't mind me. This is bear with me here. Simple stuff, typical charger, losing things. Yeah, so that plugs in there. This is the battery. But imagine this battery just slides in that way, and that plugs into the wall. Is the battery waterproof? Is this whole thing waterproof? Let's see. Lithium. Doesn't mention anything, but it's all right. So that's the unboxing. If we look at this 320 psi, 0.5 GPM, 20-volt charger, it's 3.5 pounds. I don't know if the wand is 3.5. This feels about that, 3-4 pounds. So yeah, cool. ready, aim, clean. So we're gonna see how this works. My goal is to get like a 5-gallon bucket, and once I get a 5-gallon bucket, fill it with water. Once I take it up to our balcony, if you are familiar or seen other videos, if not, give this video a thumbs up. Just helps the channel. I don't really give a fuck what you do. Subscribe down below if you want. Again, I don't really give a fuck what you do, but it helps out. So I can make more videos like this for you guys. The more you support it, the more we can give you some good stuff. That's gonna go on there. That just fits on it like that. And then this is gonna go in, I believe. This probably unscrews. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh, maybe. And probably goes on that. I'll figure that all out once we get ready to use it. We're gonna test it. Probably just wash off this truck. Truck's pretty dirty, and I wouldn't mind giving it a shot with that. But first, we're gonna get inside and charge this bad boy. And say hello to my huge cock.